Hi guys, I finally discovered how to create a monetizable UK TikTok account without using a UK phone number or paying for anything. This is absolutely free, and the good part about this method is that you have access to all the monetization tools, including the creator reward program, which enables you to make money on every of your video on TikTok when you get monetized. So if you're in Africa or anywhere outside the UK but you need a monetizable UK TikTok account where you can be posting and earning from your videos, then this tutorial is for you. As you can see from the screenshots on the screen, many creators outside the UK are already enjoying this opportunity. So with all that being said, let's get into the tutorial proper. So to get started, we're going to use a VPN. You can use any VPN of your choice. For me, I'm going to use this Windscribe. So just open the VPN. Remember, we want to create a UK TikTok account, so we need to act as if we are from UK and we are doing everything from the UK. So we are going to connect this VPN to London. So like I said, you can use any VPN of your choice, just follow the same process. So I would click on London and connect. So just wait for it to connect. Mine is connected already. So after being connected to London, just open your browser and confirm your location. So you can just say, what is my IP? And click on this first one here. What is my IP address.com? So that website will tell you the location you are currently based on the VPN or the location you are connected. So this is the page. You can see the IP address and you can see the London there. So just click on that, click for more details about the IP address. So when you click on that, it's going to open the details for you. And as you can see, mine is connected to the UK and all the details shown here confirmed that. You can see UK, you can see London, you can see England and all of that. So you should do this to confirm your VPN is working. So after that, open your settings. There's one more thing we have to do. Open your settings and go to additional settings, and then you want to change the region. You can see my region here is Nigeria. So yours may be Ghana if you're in Ghana or wherever you are. So click on it and change the region to United Kingdom. Why we are doing this is we want everything on that phone or device to act or to be as if it's from the UK. All right. Okay, so just select United Kingdom and double check that your region is showing United Kingdom. So after that, we need to install TikTok if you don't have it on your phone. So install it. But if you have TikTok on your phone already, you have to uninstall it and then install it back. Don't forget. So after installing it, open your TikTok. So since you installed it afresh, it's supposed to come up like this and then ask you for some permissions like this. Just allow, and then you can choose to ignore all of these or just select a few, and then you have access to the app. So click on the profile icon down there and then look closely below. You are going to see your country there. Just tap on that country. Mine is Nigeria. Tap on it and change that country to United Kingdom. Remember, at this point, our VPN is on and we are connected to London. Okay, so switch to United Kingdom and you'll have it right there like that. Okay, so after doing that, ensure you are on the sign up page. If you are not there, just click on it below like this. Click on it and it's going to switch to sign up. Okay, and ensure it's still United Kingdom that is showing down there. If not, change it. Now don't do a mistake of going with the number one option there. Go with the last one, which is continue with Google. So just go ahead and continue with Google. All right, so when you click on that, it's going to pop up all your Google accounts, and you have to choose a Google account you've never used to create a TikTok account before, preferably a brand new Google account. So after choosing it, it's going to prompt you to enter your birthday. So just go ahead and select it. After that, you are going to create your nickname. It can be anything. Just put down the name. All right, you can change it afterwards. I will also advise that you choose a name that will resonate with the UK community so they can easily flow with your account. So after choosing your nickname, you have successfully created a UK TikTok account. So how do you know that this is a UK TikTok account? You are going to click on that icon top right corner. There are a lot of things we are going to check. Then click on settings and privacy. Then go to accounts. All right, click on accounts, go to account information. Then you see United Kingdom right there. That is the first thing we need to check. So we're going to check three things. We've checked the first one. So go back, click top right corner again, go to settings and privacy. This time around, we want to check the exact location the account was created, and we're going to see it. So click on activity center, and then you're going to click on account history. can see account history up there. Click on account history, and then you can see down there, and you're going to see the location that TikTok account was created. You can see my own account. It said you created your account from Redmi Note 13 in United Kingdom, England. So if you follow the procedure I gave up to this moment and you do not see this here like this, let me know in the comments, so I'm going to assist you to get it right. All right, so there's one more thing we have to check if you're actually going to be earning on that account. So click top right corner again and then go to TikTok Studio this time around. So this is the most important part, because the reason we are doing all of this is so that you can be earning from that account. And as you can see, I have creator reward program on this account. So once we get monetized on this account, we start making money. This account is 100% a UK TikTok account, because once it get monetized, it's going to make me so much money. In case you don't know, this is how a regular TikTok account looks like. You can see there's no creator reward program here. So this account cannot earn from its videos. It can only earn through all these other means which are not sustainable. Okay, and that is why you need a UK TikTok account. So the next question is, when will I start making money? Now let's check the requirements. Before you can start making money with your UK TikTok account, there are some simple requirements you need to meet before you can start making money. And these requirements are actually very simple if you are consistent and you are posting quality content. Number one, you need to be 18 years old and above. Number two, you need to have 10,000, minimum 10,000 followers, which is very simple to attain. And number three, you need to have at least 100,000 views on your videos in 30 days. So you can meet it anytime. You can meet these requirements anytime and you get monetized. Okay, so you can click on notify me so that they will notify you once you meet these requirements. Instead of coming here every day to check if you have met the requirements, they will notify you. So that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. You can just go ahead and set up your profile. Just upload a profile picture, and then you can also do your bio. All right, so I'll just go ahead and set up mine. And also, one thing you need to know is that whatever you're doing, ensure that you tailor it to be as if you're from the UK, from the name to the way you reply and to everything. So the next thing you want to do after setting up your profile is to follow some accounts. So I'm just going to search for some UK TikTok accounts, and then I'm going to search for them. You can see this person. So after searching for them, just engage on their account so that the algorithm will see that you are actually engaging on UK accounts. Let me copy someone else's name and check. Okay, I'll follow her. So just follow a few UK TikTok creators and then engage on their accounts. Why you are doing this is you are training the algorithm to believe that you are actually from the UK. You cannot be from the UK and be engaging on content from Ghana alone or from Nigeria alone. It will look somehow. All right, so that is it. Ensure to do that, and I tell you, from there you can start uploading your content and you get monetized. Another thing I would strongly advise is that you should choose a niche that is widely acceptable. Don't do something that maybe only Nigerians, only Ghanaians will like. Just do so. If possible, just go AI. Use AI to create your content. But if you don't know how to use AI to create your content, that will not still be a problem. Just go ahead and upload whatever content you want to be uploading. But I would have preferred that you upload something that is widely acceptable so that even UK citizens or the UK audience can also resonate with it. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be attending to all questions. All right. If you are confused, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to help you out. Thank you. Do well to share this tutorial with your friends. You can even share the link of this video to your community so that your community members, your family, your friends can learn how to make money from TikTok also. All right. See you in my next video. Bye for now.